Hello friends, this is Snoopy. I'm at the Nihonbashi boarding dock. Today, I'm gonna enjoy Hanami flower viewing in English as the cherry blossom season has started. Okay, let's enjoy Hanami with me. And now, find your Tokyo. As I pass under the bridge, I found cherry blossom trees. This is very first time to see cherry blossom from a boat. The first cherry blossom were officially confirmed in Tokyo on 14th March. It might be a little bit early for the cherry blossom season. I'm so excited to see this great view. The Japan Meteorological Agency records the opening and full blooms from Kyushu to Hokkaido every year. And the advance of cherry blossoms across Japan is referred to Sakura Zensen, the cherry blossom front in English. It shows how we are interested in cherry blossoms. The flowering date of cherry blossoms is identified as the first day when more than 5 to 6 flowers open on a specimen tree. Meanwhile, the full bloom date is identified as the first day when more than 80% of the buds have opened on a specimen tree. People often ask when the best cherry blossom season is. Nobody can say exactly, but in Tokyo, for example, it's considered from mid-March to early April. So, if you come to the Tokyo or Osaka areas in early spring, you can find cherry blossoms. And if you miss this season, go to the northern area such as Tohoku or Hokkaido in April to early May. The most accurate way to find out the Hanami season in Japan is to check the websites of Japan Meteorological Agency or weather forecasting companies. This is around the Iidabashi area. It's near Tokyo Dome. The Metropolitan Expressway is running over the river. This is the Shidarezakura tree, the Japanese weeping cherry tree in English. There are some types of cherry blossom trees seen in Japan. Somei Yoshino is the most famous cherry blossom tree. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell. See you in the next video. またね。